Hey guys, so this is my first time that I'm showing my face on camera because I usually react to K-pop videos and don't show my face, just show the them screen and then you just hear me talk. But this is my first time showing my face, so I'm a bit nervous and very insecure because I don't like showing my face on camera, but I'm trying my best for you guys. So if there's anything that I need to fix, just comment down below, but please don't be so mean to me. This is like my first time showing my face on camera, so yeah. So today is gonna be something different. As you can see, I'm in my car, first time like something like that, and someone just passed by. I got so nervous. Oh, I knew something was gonna happen. And yeah, if you're asking, well, what are these, or just I dyed my hair today by myself, so yeah. Got that stain there because of the freaking dye, but yeah, it's not that bad. And I did my makeup. I know it's not perfect, but I try. Come on, you know, makeup doesn't have to be perfect, you know. At least, you know, you do whatever makes you, you know, like comfortable, so you don't have to, don't let anyone tell you and like otherwise. But yeah, this is gonna be something different. As you know, I like usually do like K-pop and like reactions, but this time it's gonna be something different. I'm gonna be unboxing a product, well, and like some products that I use for every night for my skin routine, and I'm super excited. It just got like delivered like 5 hours ago. But yeah, it's right here. Got it all from Amazon, and I'm super excited to be opening it with you guys. And yeah, the package is open, so it could be like easier, so I don't have to, you know, cut it here while I'm like filming. So yeah, no, and like hopefully no one calls me because I have like full volume my phone right here. Yeah, and I hate it when people like interrupt me because then I forget things. So yeah, the thing is right here. I got it from Amazon. It's called Rice Water Bright. And like either way, I'm gonna leave down in the description the link to this product so you guys can check it out if you want to buy it. But yeah, this is how the package looks like. It's pink, like, yeah, it's like light pink. It's a very cute pink. I like it. Looks fancy, which yeah, I like and like fancy things. And yeah, now let's get right into it to like opening like boxing freaking box. Hopefully I'm not that weird on camera. It's just that this is like my first time and I'm kind of scared and don't know what to say much, but I'm gonna improve, okay? I'm gonna try to get better at it because I don't want my channel to die. But yeah, let's see how you open this because I'm horrible at unboxing things. Oh, it has a little tape right here. Oh god. It's so hot in Florida. Freaking hot. I know that I'm wearing a sweater, it's just that I'm so used to like wearing sweaters, so when I don't wear a sweater I feel very insecure. And then people are like, you live in Florida and you're complaining about the heat, but yet you're still wearing a sweater. Don't judge me. But yeah, let's open this. But first let's get like a thumbnail so I can, hopefully that worked. If not, then I'll just, I can't even open this. Oh my god. Ugh. Should have checked this before. It's this freaking tape and it's so freaking hard to like open it. I'm not. Okay, and like anyways, you can see. I'm gonna put it here so you guys can see because this freaking thing's on the way. This, I was gonna curse, but I'm trying not like not to curse, so yeah. Okay, no one's here. Freaking out here. Okay, there's this right here. You can see it. It's little rice water bright. It's like an oil that you use for cleaning like your face. This can also be used to like remove like your makeup, because that's what I do. I like use this like to like remove like my makeup. First bottle, and now Okay. The cleanser right here. As you can see. The second bottle. Oof. God. And now, it's all pink. A bigger one of these. This is, they're like the same. It's just that this one is smaller and this one is, you know, a little bit more bigger. But yeah, same thing right here. I got this on Amazon for around, what was the price? 14 like something. It was very, very cheap, but it's a good like product. And this is Korean, just like Korean products, because I mean Koreans have the best skin, like one of the best skin, and they take really good care in other skin. So hey, why not use some of their products and see how it works? And for me, it has worked. I use this like every single night, except that this past days I haven't been using it because I ran out and I needed to like buy like new one, which I did and just got here. You know, got this. Let me take out the first like bottle. This for just 14, which is a good deal. You know, I saw this other one that had just like these two for like 20 bucks, and I'm like, hey, why can I just, you know, pay like get this one, and that, you know, it's like a set, comes a little box for just like 14. So I suggest for you to check out this one instead of the one that costs us 20, which it just brings like 2 bottles. So come on. But yeah, I really like like these products. They're really good like for your skin. I know that for some people it didn't work, but hey, if something like doesn't work, you might want to try in like something new, and it might work. And if it doesn't, then I guess you can just return it and look for something else that can work for your skin, because not everyone has like the same like skin type. I've used some other like products which have made my skin really, really red, and like it would like burn, and it was like, no. I've used like Proactive. That product did not work for me. I think I'm like allergic to that, and I was like, you know what, please don't send me any more products, because my skin does not like that. And I'm like, okay, you know what, I gotta check out for more things. And then I went on like Amazon, and I just searched up some like in Korean products for well, skin products, and then I ran into Korean products, and I found these, and I'm like, okay, looks cute, you know, it looks all pinky, you know, all like girlish, and I'm like, and then I tried it out, and I fell in love. It has been working for my skin so nice, and it doesn't smell bad. It doesn't smell bad. Look, and yeah. So I strongly suggest for if you're into and like Korean beauty or anything like that, K-pop or something, whatever, and if you wanna try out some skin products, you can try out these. They work for your skin. Like I said, it doesn't work for like everyone, but it might work for you. If you're watching this, you should click on the like below that I'm gonna put there, so, like later on. But yeah, here's the products that I unboxed like for you guys. Very cute box. There's nothing more in it. Just 3 bottles for just 14. It's a great deal. Come on, guys. It's a really, really good deal. Gosh, I look so good here, except this freaking stains. Like, you have to ruin that. But yeah, guess you want to know more about me since it's like the first video that I show my face. You guys can call me Kai. I'm 20 years old. I was born and raised in Florida. My whole life I've been here. With this heat, yeah, it's very hot in Florida. But yeah, I'm a college student. My major is criminal justice. I want to become a lawyer. Yeah, super excited. I'm about to go to my 2nd year of college. I'm starting in August, and I'm super excited and kind of lazy to go back to school. You know, it's summertime. And like all you want to do is go out and have fun. Go to the beach, even though you can't really go to the beach since like the waters are very dirty and the bacteria. Yeah, a lot of people are like getting sick, and some of them I think have died. I'm not sure, but yeah. Some things that I like to do are I like to listen to music, dance, watch K-pop. Another thing is that in high school I was part of the choir, and yeah, I used to sing with the choir at my high school, and it was very fun. But ever since I graduated, I stopped singing. I don't know. I guess I've lost inspiration to do that. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I just don't feel like singing. I don't know if I think that's a bad thing, but probably I'll find something else that I like and enjoy. So yeah, as you can see, I have a car. It's been a year since I got this car. It's a Toyota Corolla 2010 sports in like version, and yeah, I really like this car. Such a blessing, and you know, I'm so grateful for my parents for getting me this car. And yes, they were the one that put in the money. So you know, I'm not trying to like show off or like anything. It's just that I'm very like grateful to like have my parents who has, you know, they have always been there for me. You know, like not a lot of kids are able to have their parents by their side, so I'm very like grateful to like have them. And yeah, I'm probably gonna do like a car tour in the future. I'm not sure if you guys want to see that. And yeah, if you're asking what color my car is, it's red. You can see some of the red here, and like over there, it's a very bright red, you know, like very shiny. But yeah, I think that's gonna be all for today. It was very nice to unbox this skin product, and like Korean skin product, like with you guys. You know, I still feel a little bit nervous to show my face on camera, but hopefully by the time it goes by, I'll be more comfortable in camera, and I'll be able to show more of me to you guys, so you guys can get to know me better. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. I guess if you're curious to know what my favorite color is, my favorite color is blue. There's different types of blue. I don't know, I'll just say blue in general. Like, don't ask me what type of blue, because I don't know. I just like blue. I used to like pink in like when I was little, but then I don't know, it changed. I went through a little change, and I don't know, I started wearing more black, and then I don't know, my color and like my favorite color just went from like pink, purple, and now blue, and it's still blue. It hasn't changed. It's still blue. So what else do you guys want to know about me, since I'm still like curious? I mean, like wondering what I should tell you. What are my plans for the future? What are my plans for the future? I guess, I don't know, earn a degree, move out, I guess, you know, live like my own life. I know, you know, I'm still so grateful for my parents, but it's you know, I think it's important to learn how to be like like independent, not always like depend on your parents, because hey, you know, I'm 20, you know, I still gotta do things on my own. And yeah, let's see, what else can I say? How long have I been on YouTube? Well, I created this channel back in 2015, I think it was. I just never really made it in like any videos. I think I did like around 2 videos, but I just put it there, and I never really did any more videos. And then I took a break from like YouTube, and now I'm starting to like come back, because I want, you know, I don't want my channel to die, because, you know, it's so young. Please don't die. But yeah, I think that's gonna be all like for now. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. And if you wanna I don't know, want more videos, or have any like recommendations of like videos that you want me to like and react to, sorry, I'm just so nervous right now, then just like comment down in like below, and I'll try to like react to those songs that you want me to. Like I said, I'm gonna leave like the link below in the description to this product right here, so you guys can check it out. It's very cute in the packaging, just $14, come on. And yeah, that's gonna be all for today. I hope you have a great day. Remember to always stay strong and be positive. Always follow like your dreams, and don't ever let anyone tell you that you're not able to do it, because you can. I believe in you. And yeah. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. And yeah, have a great day. And yeah, I'm probably gonna react to more K-pop videos later on, so stay tuned for that. And if you want, please go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, hope you have a great day, and see ya.